Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workforce Workshop. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for employers, job seekers, and anyone interested in the future of work. The top staffing trends in 2025. The world of work is evolving faster than ever, driven by technological advancements, shifting workforce demographics, and changing economic landscapes. In this video, we'll explore the key trends that will shape staffing in 2025, from the rise of AI in recruitment to the growing importance of diversity and inclusion. Whether you're an employer looking to stay ahead of the curve or a job seeker preparing for the future, this video is for you. Let's get started. Trend 1. AI and automation in recruitment. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are transforming the recruitment process, and this trend will only accelerate by 2025. Here's how. 1. Resume screening. AI-powered tools can analyze thousands of resumes in seconds, identifying the best candidates based on skills, experience, and cultural fit. This saves recruiters time and reduces bias in the hiring process. 2. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots are being used to handle initial candidate interactions, answer questions, and schedule interviews. This improves the candidate experience and frees up recruiters to focus on more strategic tasks. 3. Predictive Analytics. AI can predict which candidates are most likely to succeed in a role based on historical data and performance metrics. This helps employers make more informed hiring decisions. 4. Video interview analysis. AI tools can analyze video interviews to assess candidates' facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language, providing insights into their personality and fit for the role. While AI offers many benefits, it's important to ensure that these tools are used ethically and transparently to avoid perpetuating biases or making unfair decisions. Trend 2. The rise of the gig economy. The gig economy is growing rapidly, and by 2025, it will be a major force in the job market. Here's why. 1. Flexibility. More workers are choosing freelance, contract, or gig work for the flexibility it offers. This is particularly appealing to younger generations who value work, life balance, and autonomy. 2. Cost savings for employers. Hiring gig workers can be more cost-effective for employers, as they don't have to provide benefits or commit to long-term contracts. 3. Specialized skills. The gig economy allows employers to access specialized skills on demand, without the need for full-time hires. 4. Platforms and marketplaces. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are making it easier for employers to find and hire gig workers, further driving the growth of the gig economy. However, the rise of the gig economy also raises questions about job security, benefits, and workers' rights, which will need to be addressed in the coming years. Trend 3. Remote work and hybrid models. Remote work is here to stay, and by 2025 it will be a standard part of the job market. Here's what to expect. 1. Hybrid work models. Many companies will adopt hybrid work models, allowing employees to split their time between working from home and the office. This offers the best of both worlds, combining the flexibility of remote work with the collaboration opportunities of in-person work. 2. Global talent pools. Remote work opens up access to global talent pools, allowing employers to hire the best candidates regardless of location. 3. Technology investments. Companies will invest in technology to support remote work, including collaboration tools like Slack, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, as well as cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive data. 4. Work-life balance. Remote work offers employees greater work-life balance, which can lead to higher job satisfaction and retention. However, remote work also presents challenges, such as maintaining company culture, ensuring effective communication, and managing remote teams. Trend 4. Upskilling and lifelong learning. As technology continues to evolve, the skills required for many jobs will change rapidly. By 2025, upskilling and lifelong learning will be essential for both employers and employees. Here's why. 1. Skill gaps. Many industries are facing skill gaps, particularly in areas like technology, data analysis, and digital marketing. Employers will need to invest in training programs to bridge these gaps. 2. Continuous learning. Employees will need to embrace a mindset of continuous learning to stay relevant in the job market. This includes taking online courses, attending workshops, and earning certifications. 3. Employer-sponsored training. Companies will increasingly offer training programs to help employees develop new skills and advance their careers. 4. Micro-credentials. Micro-credentials, such as digital badges and certifications, will become more common as a way to demonstrate skills and competencies. By prioritizing upskilling and lifelong learning, employers and employees can stay ahead of the curve and thrive in a rapidly changing job market. Trend 5. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. DI. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, will be a top priority for employers in 2025. Here's why. 1. Business benefits. Research shows that diverse teams are more innovative, productive, and profitable. Employers will prioritize DEI to gain a competitive edge. 2. Employee expectations. Employees, particularly younger generations, expect their employers to prioritize DEI. Companies that fail to do so risk losing top talent. 3. Inclusive hiring practices. Employers will adopt more inclusive hiring practices, such as blind recruitment, diverse interview panels, and bias training for recruiters. 4. DEI metrics. Companies will track and report on DEI metrics to measure progress and hold themselves accountable. By prioritizing DEI, employers can create a more inclusive and equitable workplace that attracts and retains top talent. Trend 6. Employee well-being and mental health. Employee well-being and mental health will be a major focus for employers in 2025. Here's why. 1. Increased awareness. The COVID-19 pandemic has heightened awareness of the importance of mental health, and this trend will continue in the coming years. 2. Work-life balance. Employers will prioritize work-life balance to reduce burnout and improve employee satisfaction. 3. Mental health support. Companies will offer mental health support, such as counseling services, mental health days, and wellness programs. 4. Flexible work arrangements. Flexible work arrangements, such as remote work and flexible hours, will become more common to support employee well-being. By prioritizing employee well-being and mental health, employers can create a healthier and more productive workforce. Trend 7. Data-driven recruitment. Data-driven recruitment will be a key trend in 2025, as employers use data and analytics to make more informed hiring decisions. Here's how. 1. Candidate sourcing. Employers will use data to identify the best sources for candidates, such as job boards, social media, and employee referrals. 2. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics will be used to forecast hiring needs, identify high-potential candidates, and reduce turnover. 3. Performance metrics. Employers will track and analyze performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of their recruitment strategies and make data-driven improvements. 4. Diversity and inclusion. Data will be used to measure and improve diversity and inclusion in the hiring process. By leveraging data and analytics, employers can make more informed and effective hiring decisions. Trend 8. Employer branding and candidate experience. Employer branding and candidate experience will be critical for attracting and retaining top talent in 2025. Here's why. 1. Competitive job market. In a competitive job market, a strong employer brand can help companies stand out and attract top talent. 2. Candidate expectations. Candidates expect a positive and seamless experience throughout the recruitment process, from the initial application to the final offer. 3. Employee advocacy. Companies will leverage employee advocacy to build their employer brand, encouraging employees to share their experiences on social media and review sites. 4. Feedback and improvement. Employers will collect feedback from candidates to identify areas for improvement and enhance the candidate experience. By prioritizing employer branding and candidate experience, companies can attract and retain the best talent in a competitive job market. Closing scene. And there you have it, the top staffing trends in 2025. From AI and automation to diversity and inclusion, these trends will shape the future of work and have a profound impact on employers and job seekers alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Workforce Workshop, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know which trend you're most excited about, or share your own predictions for the future of staffing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.